What are we going to do in 2 weeks?
We're gonna ride on an airplane.
We're going to ride on an airplane?
Yeah.
All right. And what do we do if the airplane is really noisy? Yeah. And are you scared?
I'm not scared.
You're not scared?
Yeah.
No.
Are you scared?
Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah.
But are we going to be okay? Because we'll have Mommy and Daddy with us and Lucas?
Yeah. I'm not scared.
You're not scared.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What are we going to do on the airplane?
Goes.
That's right. That's right. We're going to go the engine, right? It's going to turn fast, fast, fast.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Can you say love you?
Love you.